What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up your dash cam for a Tesla. So the first thing you need to do is obviously get something like this. You can be a flash drive, you can be an external hard drive, you can get an SSD, but I found out that this is pretty good. It's just little USB flash drive and you just connect it to the car and it works fine. Obviously I got this and I was driving the car for like almost 2 months without knowing how to set up the dash cam. I thought it was working, but actually it wasn't, because you're not supposed to just plug it in and everything's gonna go well. There's a whole process for it and I'm gonna tell you about the process in this video. After you get something like this, what you want to do is go home to your computer, plug this in. I'll show you guys this in a second. Hey guys, we're back on my computer right now, and the first thing you want to do is obviously connect it to your computer. I'm using another USB that I have, just a flash drive. Once you get the actual one that you need to convert to Tesla cam, let's say this is the USB drive. Well, this is the drive right now, but I just made a folder just as an example. So let's say this is your USB, and once you go inside, this is what it looks like. So first thing you want to do is convert the USB to a different format. So you right click the drive and you click format, and then the thing you want to do is change the file system. You want to change the file system from, I believe it's going to be NTFS to FAT32. That's what you want to do. Just change to that. This USB comes with default at this file format. When you buy that small USB for a dash cam, it's not going to be like that. So you need to change it to FAT32, and then you just start. We're going to convert it, and then you just start, wait for it to be done, and you'll be good to go. I'm going to close it because I don't need to format this USB. It's already in that format that what we need, and I'm not going to use this for a dash cam. And then the next thing you want to do is right click in USB. Once it's converted, you go to your USB, you right click, create a new folder, and call it Tesla cam, with T being capital and C being capital. Once you do that, you just leave it empty and you're pretty much good to go. You just take that USB, plug it into your car, and I'll show you what it looks like in the car. And after you're done with the whole process, this is what it's gonna look like. As you can see here, I plugged in the USB at the bottom, and you'll have something like this pop up. And that's your cam recording at all times when you're in the car or driving. If the car is locked, this is not gonna be recording. So if you wanna record it at night, you're gonna use this feature, which is Sentry Mode. You just click on it, and once it's red like that, that means the Sentry Mode is on and it's recording at all times. So once you leave the car could be locked and it'll still be recording. But you can just turn it off by clicking on it, and that's that. If something, God forbid, happens on the road and you need the footage, all you gotta do is click on this camera button and it saves the last 10 minutes of whatever happened. So if you need more than 10 minutes, you just unplug the USB, and that's gonna be more than enough, probably like an hour or so. So yeah, unfortunately these dash cams don't record more than an hour, I think. I'm not exactly sure, but it definitely doesn't record more than that. Like, it's from 1 hour to like it could be a couple of hours, but I think it's limited to 1 hour. I'm not exactly sure. So it definitely doesn't record 24 hours or 12 hours. It just keeps overwriting it. My USB is 128 gigabytes and it still overwrites it. It has plenty of space, but it keeps overwriting. So there's really no point of getting a big USB because it's just gonna keep overwriting. If you don't want to do that, just get a dash cam. That's gonna be the easiest and safest way, I guess. But this thing is also nice to have because it only costs like $20-$30, and you have 4 cameras recording from the sides, from the back, for the front. So I mean, I would say this is way better than having a dash cam, because dash cam only records the front, and this is way cheaper and records 4-way. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and obviously leave a comment down below because I'm gonna talk to all of you there. and I'll see you later. Peace.